Hi, I'm Melissa from Impact Realty Group. Today I'd like to welcome you to a truly exceptional real estate gem. This property, originally built as a limestone carriage house in the 1800s, underwent extensive renovations in 2008 to create a gorgeous living space for possibly two families. Let's have a look inside. Step inside to discover a piece of history that underwent extensive renovations in 2008. Currently configured as two separate units, this property offers immense versatility. The rear unit serves as the main dwelling, boasting an expansive living room and kitchen area with in-floor heating. Upstairs, you'll find a primary suite with luxury ensuite, another bedroom, and a generously sized family room. Step outside and be enchanted by the beautiful rear yard, featuring a spacious covered patio area, perfect for entertaining and outdoor relaxation. But that's not all. The front two-level unit offers an above-ground apartment, perfect for multi-generational family living or as an income-generating mortgage helper. Nestled just minutes away from the heart of downtown Fergus, this property boasts a prime location with the added allure of backing onto the picturesque Grand River. Don't miss the opportunity to explore this remarkable property. Contact us today to schedule a viewing and discover a unique blend of historic charm and modern convenience that soon could become your dream home. This is your chance to own a piece of history. Your dream home awaits. Contact us today.